Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating backups and access, because changing the server name touches system metadata. First, backup master, MSDB, and model, then pause SQL agent and scheduled jobs to avoid conflicts. Make sure you have a sysadmin account and that remote connections are ready. Next, note any linked servers or jobs that reference the old name. Once done, set the instance to single user, if required, so system updates can run cleanly without concurrent connections interfering. Now execute the core rename steps. On the server, run SB drop server with the old name, then SB add server new name, local to register the new local name. After that, restart the SQL Server service so metadata refreshes. Verify with select at server name and select server property, machine name, or server name as appropriate. Then, update linked servers, endpoint URLs, clustered instances, and any jobs or maintenance plans that still reference the old name to avoid residual errors when services resume. Finish by validating everything end-to-end. You should restart dependent services, run dbcc checkdb on critical databases, and test application connectivity and authentication. Make sure connection strings and DNS resolve to the new server name. Re-enable SQL agent jobs and monitor the error log for name-related warnings. If you're on a cluster, update cluster resource names and DNS records. If something breaks, check sysservers, error logs, and rerun SB add server. Often a missed restart or lingering reference is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.